Hey, welcome back to MalakiLab. I have a slight problem. If I try to emerge with E, which is emerge everything, I have 239 package, 5 new, 2 new slots, a lot of reinstall, and some new. But if I'm using my binary ost, $176. The new package that are supposed to be there are not there, which includes CMake. And ASM. Duck books, which is not very important, but I don't understand why there's less in binaries. The dependencies are supposed to be the same. So I don't know if it's because I'm too tired, but it's something I will have to troubleshoot and maybe give an update. Yet I will try like that to know what kind of efficiency I can get. Trying to run a lot in parallel, and then yeah. Maybe it's something stupid. It's usually something stupid. I will try to troubleshoot that probably tomorrow to know what's going on. It seems like it's not the same dependencies, which it doesn't make sense. Butthead don't have any SSD, but the rate is not that bad. There's fairly decent speed, but it's for sure no SSD. I am checking my Zabbix at the same time. If the binary package could be in with PBZip, well, PBZip2, PBZ2, it would be a lot more efficient to install, because the decompression, even if it's a lot in parallel, it's still when it's just one at a time, it's still just one core being used to uncompress, and it's not optimal. I would prefer to take all the cores for each and to go super fast. I will think maybe by doing the bin package, if I use PBZip instead of bzip to compress them, I will have the full advantage. So probably the Binhost with the will go to PBZip2. Gosh, but it will be tomorrow because I'm very tired tonight. Worked all day on that and some VMs. I'm working, to be honest, on a VM to be able to compile more stuff without polluting the host with many dependency, many package. So if I want to have Chromium, Firefox, LLVM, all the big stuff needing a lot of dependency, I can just install them on the VM, and it's less for the host to maintain. GCC and glib. GCC somewhere. QEME, quite big too. Kernel too. Old kernel. We'll probably have to do a dep clean for the kernels, because there's still old ones on Beavis. On this one, it's the more bleeding edge. It's not that bad, but I have many package with many, and it's useless. I should exclude them in theory of the bin package, and I will do that too. It's something I should do too. Exclude the virtuals with the sources for the kernel. Stuff like that. Like the virtual, it's not needed to be bin package. Sure, it takes no time to process them, but huh, not that bad. Step 1 to do. Yeah, the sources takes a long time for nothing. A very long time. Oh well, it will be a full 11 minutes. Yeah, not bad. Could be better though. Nearly 12 for a full, well, quote unquote full update. Or full reinstall. Not bad. I think I can make it better. Alright, see you tomorrow.